Out of the box, Pocket Office gives your business a professional edge over all the other businesses out there. And today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how you can make a really great first impression with your customers. So if we just travel on over to the marketing tab over here on the left hand side and we go to automated campaigns. We're inside automated campaigns. Out of the box you'll see that there's 3 separate automated campaigns here loaded up. Now automated campaigns sounds a bit tough, but really it's just emails that you can send to your customers. So the first type of automated campaign we've got here is the happy birthday one. This is ideal if you hold the birthday of your customers. And what it'll do is it'll automatically send your customer a happy birthday wish from your business when it is their birthday. Now the new customer email is a great email to send when you get a new customer to welcome them into your business. And of course the third one here is a customer reactivation email, which is fantastic if you have customers that haven't maybe worked with your business for a little while. It's a great way to get them back into your business. So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the new customer automated email. So just click on the edit button to start editing the email for the new customer. As you can see here, it comes pre-populated with a whole bunch of words that will be suitable for most businesses. I do recommend that you do edit it yourself. Once you're editing, press done, and it's all ready for you. Simply flick this toggle to turn on the active campaign. All your details come up here in the lightbox. And if you press confirm, that email is all set now. Every time that you have a new customer, they will get an email from your business, professional and branded. Down here, you'll be able to see the delivery statistics on those emails. So you'll be able to see whether your customers are viewing the email, clicking on the email, and whether they've clicked through to your business. This is just one of the easy ways that you can have a professional edge with Pocket Office.